Magandang, araw, APVRS. Welcome to day one here in vibrant Manila. I'm Ruchi Ranga with Mice TV, and we are kicking off the Congress with 3 exciting stories, all reflecting where retina care, technology, and global practice are heading next. Our first story looks towards the future. We spoke with Professor Ting, one of the world's leading minds in AI and ophthalmology, about how oculomics and intelligent imaging could reshape retina care and even systemic health in the years ahead.
We know the microvascular changes always precedes the macrovascular changes. So the problems always starts with the smaller vessels before they hit the big ones. Eye is the only organs in the whole entire body system that allows direct visualizations without needing to adopt an invasive approach. So I think that opens up a unique opportunity for us to say, hey, if we take a look at the vessels, can we already detect the heart problems? And in fact, we are already seeing some of the regulatory approved the system that uses retina imaging to detect coronary artery calcium score, for example. If you ask the human to read the image and to ask them to quantify the calcium scores based on the retina imaging, that is impossible. So the only way you can do it is through AI. So that also explains the power of AI coupled with a good data and the good imaging, the source. Retina imaging for optical shops, optometry shop who has retina imaging, you can already done that. What would the future retina practice looks like, right? How do you train your future retina fellows? Is AI gonna be something good to have, skill sets to have, or is a must-have skill sets, right? I think AI right now, whether you like it or not, is already here. Everyone knows that. But again, how are you going to use AI? That is the big question.
Next, we shift from data to devices. Ikegami, known for its precision imaging technology, is bringing high-quality microscope cameras into ophthalmic surgery. Whether for teaching, documentation, or reviewing complications, video capture has never been more accessible or more important for any modern clinical practice.
All the microscope company have their own camera. Because of video technology is moving faster than the microscope. So currently they are using the standard definition video system. After upgrading the HDTV system, what you cannot see can see, obviously. This camera goes to the microscope or slit lamp, capturing the video from the camera. This, by using the cable, goes to the camera control unit. So from camera control unit, you can get the video signal to monitor or recorder. Surgery, maybe they can share in a big international conference like here. They can use this video to learn how the experienced doctor done the surgery. Now, because of microscope company also collecting the many case of the surgery case to develop the AI system. Now the video is a kind of important issue.
And for our final story today, we explore sustainability in ophthalmology. Dr. Vivek Dave from LB Prasad Eye Institute shares fresh insights on the balance between reusable and disposable tools and why the real impact on patient care and the environment may not be as straightforward as it seems, especially in low and middle income settings.
I think sustainability has become the buzzword in ophthalmology. We have so many different practice patterns, and unfortunately, most of those practice patterns create a lot of waste, and that has a negative impact on the environment. I gave some inputs on what we very commonly do in our practice, and that is reusing supplies and reusing instruments. What we have found in India over the years in different practice patterns is even though we reuse instruments, we really have not found any increase of infection rates as against, say, the gold standard in the Western world where instruments are not reused. At an individual level where a person themselves has to get convinced that reusing instruments is not a negative practice. This is something that can be imbibed for a positive impact. And second is at a policy level. I think en masse physicians would be comfortable if it comes in as an instruction from the top, say from the government policy makers, and also more so for the Western countries which are insurance driven. I think it's important that the insurance market also starts taking this into consideration, both patient care and care for the planet. I think they go hand in hand. So every time you are picking up an instrument, ask yourself, can I sterilize this well and can I reuse it? If you can, go ahead.
That wraps up day one here at APVRS 2025 in Manila. Thank you for joining us and stay tuned as we continue bringing you fresh stories and insights from conference floors around the world. Until then, stay focused, stay visionary, and see you next time.